uthi uNkulunkulu, keep this book of the law, please. Always on your lips. In other words, you don't just read it, you don't just memorize it, but you speak it. What helps you, njengomntana kaNkulunkulu, to speak the word? It is to read it, meditate on it, pray on it. If prayer yako must be word content. Because if your prayer is not word content, you will be out of context. Ngena mbona umuntu othi wena uyathandaza mara uyadelela. Hayi kuyarapela mara akadeleli. Uyavutha mara akavuthwanga. Hayi thina amen makhona. Umthandazo must start to change you, the prayer. Ngeke uthi uthandazela mina mara wena ushintshe. Meditate on it day and night. So God was saying, this prayer must start changing you. This word must start changing you. Ukasirungana mndimo mara unale mathata wena kabo wena. Ubatla usolwa mathata batho ba bang mara wena unale mathata.